Hello, trading is closed on February 26th, 2019. My last call said yesterday's pattern was negative and lower prices should print. That worked, but as luck would have it, had I said higher prices should print or that we close, it'll change, that would have been correct too. So one of those days couldn't really lose. We have this as a possible top. I'll kill the suspense and say it still is, but it's not really assured until we start dropping more convincingly than we did today. During the day, MEJT had an ultimate sell signal, said that worked, said this drop wouldn't stick, was false, said the rally was false, would retrace, says this drop wouldn't stick, this rally wouldn't stick, and all that's worked. Mixed signals for tomorrow. It's positive that we gapped down and couldn't break through, but it's really negative when you rally all day, can't hold on to any of the highs. It's negative when this pattern doesn't close at the high. Almost always it does, and if it does not close at the high, lower prices should print. Now tomorrow's open is a surrogate for today's close. We're nowhere near the high, but of course, you have this wall into the close. You can't rule out gapping up and taking out this high. But if that does not happen, I expect to see lower prices tomorrow. Now, tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up first. We have a possible high, but it certainly isn't convincing. I'm going to need to see a lot more evidence than we saw today before I'm willing to risk any serious money on that. But this is a pattern which usually closes up, and the fact that it did not is at least a good start. We have to see if we get follow through, and that's today's call.